What's going on, Double A fam? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guess what time it is? Tell them what time.
No, you tell them.
So we are getting ready to go on our annual cruise, and we are getting on the Jubilee, going to Mexico and Honduras. So I'm ready.
Anyway, with the fingers. What is this?
Anyway, we are about to shop for our cruise, get all of the essentials that we need, and we're going to pack, and we're gonna
everything on her card.
Anyway, so we're gonna bring y'all along with us to see what we end up getting for this cruise, what we need, what we're packing, and we might share some tips like do's and don'ts. And
let me give you the pep talk. When we get in the store, we're only getting stuff on the list. Say it with me. We are only getting stuff
on my list. Got it.
On the see how.
Let's go.
Y'all, she got a big head. What we got?
Soap for your dirty self.
Oh, you want a cap. Making good progress, y'all.
Are we?
Yeah, we are.
That's good. We want the pack, right? Not these.
Yeah.
Where? Okay, y'all. So we finished our shopping for the whole cruise, I guess. And
for the most part.
What else do?
I still gotta go to Walmart again.
Oh, that's on him. I'm gonna leave that to him. Anyway, so we wanted to show y'all really quick some of the stuff that we got, and we, like we said earlier, we're gonna give y'all some tips because I think a lot of times people prepare for cruises, but they forget some of these little things, and they're really important. They can really make or break your cruise.
Making that sound like some professionals.
Oh Lord. Anywho, so let's get into it really quick. So the snacks. So when we went on our first cruise, we were not aware that we could bring snacks on the cruise, and we ended up paying $8 for a can of Pringles.
You ended up, she was going through it. She was having snack withdrawals.
Cause like, what are we talking about? I don't always want cookies and cake, and that's all they had. And I just needed some chips, something salty, crunchy, whatever. So we went to the candy shop or gift shop, and I bought some candy too, but then I bought some chips. And I was like, there's gotta be a better way. So the next time we went on a cruise, we brought chips. I think Doritos or something like that.
But we better ate them though. Well,
correct.
I better ate them.
So we bought the Doritos. So we were like, okay, now I'm getting into the groove of it. The groove of it.
Hey.
I hate you. Anyway, so let's get into it. We went into Whole Foods.
For many years. I slept on this store for many years.
Yeah, so, okay.
Wait till y'all see.
Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show y'all is the sugar waffle cones. Now, if you've been on a cruise, you know why I'm bringing this. But for those who have not, I'm bringing this because the ice cream is endless on the cruise. However, they only have those little McDonald's cones.
So this is a hack. I don't eat ice cream, but I told her this is a
shout out to
hack.
my mom for telling me because we about to have a ball with this.
I'm gonna have them from you.
I'm gonna give it to her. Anyway, so shout out to my mom for this because I cannot wait to use these for my ice cream. It's gonna be a game changer. And then we were on a hunt for some delicious but clean ingredients.
If you follow along with our channel, we started off doing box stuff, processed food, and all that we cooked. But we're like, man, it's not good for us, right?
Right.
So now, with whatever we eat now, we turn to the back, and read the ingredients.
Right.
And now we got a healthier snack of chocolate chip cookies.
And y'all, please don't
laugh.
Yeah, just don't judge.
If we found something we like.
Hold on, I'm gonna do. We grabbed the whole rest of the box. So wait, story time, real quick. We went to Whole Foods the first day, and we bought just one.
Just a taste.
Just one. And we got in the car, and before we even left the parking lot, we started opening them, and we tasted them.
No. You open. You.
Well, I was hungry, so I was hungry. I'm like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and eat these cookies right now. We just need to taste it, cool. We both ate some, and we couldn't stop eating it. Man. And we said we're going back the next day to get some. So lo and behold, we went back the next day, and we actually ended up getting the rest of them. Some of them will go on the cruise with us. Some of them will stay home.
So you already ate like 10
but
bags
just in
already.
case Just in case you can't see, these are Tiny Tate's cookies. They are thin and crispy, and they so
And
good.
for an individual pack, $1.49.
$1.49. Yeah, $1.49.
So $1.50.
And I think these cones were pretty cheap too, to say you get 12.
This is y'all sign, whoever watching this, to go shop at Whole Foods if you have one near you.
Yeah. So of course, you have to bring your beverages, right? Because if you're not buying the drink package, then you're gonna pay $4 for a can, and who has time for that? So Babe wants to bring Sprite, so we got him a case of the mini Sprite,
Which I'm probably not going to drink. I probably drink maybe 2 or 3. Just a half though, because a single can on a cruise is like $4.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Yeah.
And then if you get like the pass, yes, about what, $30-$40 a day, but
Yeah.
who wants to pay that for a soda like a day?
Like
Hello.
That. There's lemonade for free on there.
Tea, coffee, water. Yeah. So, needless to say, I'll be bringing Olipop there in the fridge, but I'm only bringing 4. And then
Disgusting.
they're not. Anyway, and then to have a little fun, can't to cruise without fun.
Fun. How is this fun if
White grape. First of all, I grew up on this. If you know, you know. Let me know in the comments if you grew up on this flavor. And then the Martinellis, that's just a Old Faithful, but this is sparkling blush. So of course they're alcohol free. They're 100% juice, but they're gonna be delicious at dinner when I just want a little bubbly.
How many real glasses of wine are you gonna drink on the cruise?
None. Glasses of wine?
I have to see this to no drink at all on a cruise.
I didn't say no drink at all. I said no wine.
She gonna whatever she get on a cruise, she gonna take one sip and she gonna be out of it.
Anywho, so then the last snacks or edible items that I ended up getting, because I tried these for the first time and they're so good, is this Sweet Chaos Disruptive Drizzled Popcorn. And it is hot cocoa flavor. And y'all, if you've eaten Cocoa Puffs, that's it. No high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors, non-GMO and gluten-free. Thank you.
And guess what that's found at?
Dollar Tree. So that is a snack that I have added to the pantry because it's really good. Now, to get onto these tips and some of these toiletry items that we got, let's start here. So first of all, I don't like to travel with large size items. No one should travel with large size items.
Cap.
What are you?
Over your head.
So I don't like to travel with larger things. So we always try to get small things just for the sake of the vacation, right? So, Stinky Breath over here needed. You snatched that so fast. They already saw it.
You want okay.
He needs his mouthwash.
Okay.
His
Now watch that move.
His mouth.
Give it to me.
Anyway, I got it.
Okay.
And then of course, Ashy needs his. I'll just play. We both use this. Calm down.
Come on, dry lip, show 'em.
This ain't even for my lips.
What is it for? Your dry face? Oh, okay.
Anywho, okay, so this is our travel size lotion. We do use Jergens regularly, or what's the name?
Well, we only got that one because they didn't have the one we usually get.
Jergens.
Well, I'm talking about the
Jergens. Wait. What's the name of the one I use? EOS. I do have a travel size of that one. It's in the restroom. And then of course some Vaseline just in case you need some double extra moisture, for Adrian's lips or.
You got one more.
Yeah,
time.
you was waiting. You was waiting to get on me. But anyway, don't know if we'll really need this, but we bought it anyway because you just never know. Mosquitoes, bugs. I don't know.
So the Honduras port. Can we walk through the woods? Remember,
Yes.
watch it. So they might come in and clutch. Though.
Yeah,
Or unless
so-
we're gonna take the thing over.
We'll see.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got some of this, and now we have a few more toiletry items that we're about to show you, but these come with some tips. So this is very important.
This is so. These two right here.
Tell
the
me-
Lysol
well,
for
turn
the
it around
room.
so they can see it.
The Lysol for the room. I don't care. We're gonna buy another one too.
Okay.
Just to be safe. Okay. Anytime we go in our room, we're gonna Lysol our room because people come in and clean up your room and all that.
But they're going everybody else's room too.
Exactly. So we are both. You a germaphobe?
Pretty for the most part.
So we both germaphobes, and this is gonna come in clutch. Yeah. And then.
And we spray everything. When we first get in the room. Every single thing.
Remote control.
The toilet,
yes,
the shower,
everything.
the handles, the this, the that, everything.
And this come in handy for dinner, lunch, breakfast.
Anywhere you sit
Yes.
with a table with items that other people have touched or sat at, that's what we use that for.
That's a big fact. Like,
So you could be comfortable, right? You have like a seat with handles. You could wipe your handles down. So now you feel comfortable putting your hands there, and you know it's clean.
Yeah.
But that's also a way to stay or keep from getting sick, because the last thing you would want to do is get on a cruise and then you can't enjoy it.
and then before you eat anything on a cruise, we carry this around too. We're gonna have like 3 or 4 of these with us.
I know it says Ulta, but
It's hand
hand
sanitizer.
sanitizer.
Yeah, before we eat, if we can't wash our hands, we're going to sanitize our hands.
Either with
because-
those wipes or that sanitizer.
And this year, I'm staying away from the buffet.
Yeah.
I can't do it. People
With the
at
exception
buffet-
of that omelet.
Yeah. Because so if they make it,
they make it
yeah.
for you.
But the regular open buffet, I can't do it.
Yeah. So
And this one, the one she about to talk about.
So this is a tumbler, obviously. Ordered from Amazon. If you have never been on if you've been on a cruise, you know. So yeah, just sit tight for a second. If you've never been on a cruise, if you don't bring a cup and you're a germaphobe, I'm gonna pray for you, because you will be drinking out of old plastic reused kitty cups.
Yeah.
Brother,
And I'm sorry, the moment we saw those, I said,
Never again.
so glad. Well, we had
What?
ours.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we had ours.
We already had these. I said, yeah, that's a no. I saw that. That's a whole no. But anyway, you could do whatever you want with this cup. It is stainless steel. It'll keep it cold. It'll keep it hot. Although, why are you drinking hot drinks on the cruise?
Yeah.
But it'll keep everything cold. So you could drink your juices, your morning juices, your lemonades, your water, whatever, right? With that being said, make sure you bring a small dish liquid. That's what we didn't get. A small dish liquid, because you will need to wash this out, obviously, right? If you're drinking all these different things.
Yeah.
And make sure you bring a straw cleaner, because it does have that too.
Yeah.
So we do have our straw cleaner. We just need some dish liquid, and yeah. So this is a must-have. It has a ergonomic handle, so you could easily carry it and walk, through the port, on the boat, whatever. So must-have. So again, that sanitizer, Lysol, wipes, and a cup. That's like the bare minimum, right? And then of course you can get all the extra stuff like dish liquid and all that. So that is everything we ended up getting, with the exception of like shoes, clothes, stuff like that. So now we are about to throw it all in a suitcase and pack. So
I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna be packing the day before the cruise. I know this one
probably
gonna be mad at me.
he will be the day before, the day of. How about that? I know I'm not crazy. I've been with you long enough. I know.
How long you been with me?
Almost 13 years.
Say it again.
Almost 13 years.
One more time for the camera.
Almost 13 years.
All right, that's enough.
Anyway, so we're about to get ready to pack, and that's a wrap. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, especially if you've never been on a cruise before. Yeah. Obviously, if you've been rocking with us, you know we love cruises. This is our third one.
Yeah.
The fourth is already booked, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video, coming along with us, and definitely stay locked in to see where we end up going, what we end up doing on this cruise. It is the newest ship for the Carnival line, so we're excited.
Jubilee.
Calm down. He was excited.
Jubilee.
Anyway, so thank you guys for tuning in. We will definitely catch y'all on the next one.